Welcome back, Etsy sellers. If you are an Etsy seller or thinking about starting a shop in Q4, this video is going to be packed with everything you need to crush the new season. From social media strategies to Etsy ads, email marketing, and even optimizing your listings for maximum visibility. Before we dive in, I've actually created a little spreadsheet resource for you guys, so make sure head to the description, download your Q4 marketing plan linked in the description of this video so you can follow along and implement these strategies as we go through them throughout the video. As you guys know, Q4 is the biggest sales period of the year, and Etsy sellers like you and I need to be prepared to take full advantage of it. Today, I'm going to walk you through a full, entire, robust Q4 marketing plan designed to maximize your sales and your traffic. We'll cover shop optimization, Etsy ads, email marketing, social media strategies, and even tracking key metrics to measure your success. So let's go ahead and kick things right off with optimizing your Etsy shop. In the Q4 marketing plan spreadsheet, you'll find a shop optimization checklist on the first sheet. So here are the top 3 things to focus on. 1, we want to look at shipping requirements. Etsy now favors listings with shipping under $6, so make sure your shipping costs are competitive to maintain visibility, especially for US buyers. Number 2, we want to take a look at stock and inventory. Whether you sell handmade or print-on-demand products, please be sure that you have enough stock to cover the holiday rush. If you work with a print-on-demand partner, you are also going to want to confirm their holiday cutoff dates to avoid any delays and potential customer service complaints. Number 3 is gift wrapping. If you could potentially offer gift wrapping or customized messages, this is a great way to stand out during Q4. If you are capable of doing this, I would enable that option in your Etsy shop settings. And if you do have a print-on-demand partner, double check and see if they offer this. I do know a couple of POD partners that offer branded inserts, so it might be something for you to look into. There's a bunch of other things on this sheet under the shop optimization checklist, but you guys are all adults, so feel free to navigate through that. Gave you guys some tips and tricks to get started, but these are the 3 that I believe from the spreadsheet that are most important for the immediate future. Next, let's go ahead and talk about promotions and sales. On the second sheet of the spreadsheet, I've actually mapped out suggested dates for running promotions throughout Q4 that could literally be started today all the way through December 31st. You can obviously go through the spreadsheet and figure out which ones you might want to implement, but here's a quick breakdown of the ones that I believe should absolutely be put in place. In early October, you can start with smaller discounts of 10 to 15% to catch those early holiday shoppers. Then when we get closer to Black Friday and Cyber Monday, this is actually the time for your biggest types of discounts, 25% or more if your profit margins allow it. Then we also want to think about Christmas itself. Same concept that we're going to apply to Black Friday and Cyber Monday, we should also apply around December 1st through 10th. The reason why I say this is that is more than likely the time that people are kind of getting those last minute holiday deals. And again, if you have a print-on-demand provider, that might also be around the time when your holiday delivery cutoff dates are. The third thing that not a lot of people think about is post-holiday clearance sales. If you have physical inventory, you might be able to consider running a clearance sale in late December or early January to move the unsold product. And if you are a digital seller, or if you are in the new year, new me space, it might also be an awesome opportunity for you to have a post-holiday clearance to get people ready for 2025. I want you to promote your promotions and your sales both within your Etsy shop itself and across your external marketing ventures to maximize traffic. Hey guys, sorry for the quick interruption, but I have to share this amazing deal with you before it's gone. Right now, you can get 33% off our EverBee annual plan and unlock premium features like product analytics and keyword research for just $19.99 a month, billed annually at $239 all in. And here's the best part, we're also including the Etsy Growth Academy course completely for free. It's a comprehensive course packed with strategies and techniques that successful sellers use to grow their Etsy businesses themselves. You can find more information in the description. Go ahead, jump on it now. All right, now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Let's move on to number 3. Email marketing is one of the most powerful tools that you can use to increase Q4 sales, or technically sales all year long. On the third sheet of our spreadsheet, you will find an email marketing plan designed specifically for Etsy sellers. I did an entire email marketing plan for you that sends 1 to 2 per week, but here are some key campaigns that I highly recommend sending during Q4. We have a Q4 kickoff email. I would love for you to announce your upcoming holiday products or promotions. Then we're going to have a Black Friday teaser. You want to build excitement by previewing your Black Friday sale a few days or even a few weeks in advance. Then we're going to do a last-minute gift reminder. Send an email to remind customers of last-minute gift options and shipping deadlines. If you're not already doing email marketing as an Etsy seller, you need to start now. There is no better time than the present. Heather from Heather Studio made a little comment a couple weeks ago when she was doing a live with us that the best time to start was yesterday, and the second best time to start is right now. So I would highly recommend coming up with a lead magnet like a discount code to add subscribers to your list so you can start sending these emails out. Also, I would recommend thinking about segmenting your email list into past buyers, VIPs, and interested leads to be able to send more personalized and tailored messages as you start to grow your email list. Now let's get into step 4, Etsy ads. This is also a crucial part of any marketing strategy, but especially during Q4 because it gets your products in front of more potential buyers when there's also more competition than ever on the platform. So here's some tips on how to get the most out of Etsy ads during Q4. Number 1, I want you to start with a lower budget. Especially if you've never done this before, you can begin with a daily budget of $1 to $5, especially if you're just testing out which listings are performing well. Number 2, I want you to think about advertising your best sellers or things that you believe will be a bestseller based on the data that you have acquired. Promote products that are already performing well in your shop or things that you think will do well, again, based on the data that you've received. These listings are likely to convert better when you drive more paid traffic to them. Next up is 3, seasonal items. Focus on promoting products that are perfect for holiday shoppers like personalized gifts or season decor. And please be aware it does not have to be seasonally based to be considered a trending seasonal item. Number 4, we want to monitor and adjust as we start to get data. Keep an eye on things like your click-through rates or your CTR, as well as your conversion rate. If a listing isn't performing well, either tweak it or stop running ads for it altogether and focus more on better performing products. Ads work best when paired with optimized listings, so make sure your product photos, titles, descriptions, etc. are on point before you start investing money into these ads. So knowing that that is super important, let's go ahead and talk a little bit about Etsy SEO. Optimizing those listings will not only help you rank higher in Etsy search, but could also really help your Etsy ads and also bring more traffic to your shop organically as well. So let's go through my 5-step process for this. Number 1 being keywords. I want you to start with a solid keyword research strategy. Use Etsy's search bar paired with EverBee to find popular search terms while identifying high demand, low competition keywords. Long tail keywords like lavender soy candle can help you attract more targeted traffic than candle alone. Step 2 is going to be your title. Your title should include your strongest keywords at the beginning, followed by other relevant keywords, potentially separated by commas or whatever you would like to do. I would highly recommend that you avoid keyword stuffing in your title. However, you are speaking to a search engine, yes, but you are also speaking to human shoppers. Step 3 is going to be your tags. I recommend using all 13 tags available on Etsy, and you can include a mix of broad and specific tags. Also, make sure to use synonyms or related phrases. For example, handmade candle, lavender candle, natural candle. Step 4 is your description. While Etsy doesn't index descriptions for ranking, Google does, the #1 search engine in the world. So I want you to include your primary keywords in the first few sentences. These are used as metadata within Google. Make sure the rest of your description highlights the key features and benefits of your product. And once you decide what promotions and sales and discounts you wanted from spreadsheet number 2, Also make sure that those are within the first or second paragraph of each of your descriptions. Step 5 is your categories and attributes. I want you to choose the most specific, driven down category for your listing and fill out all relevant attributes such as material, color, and size. This helps Etsy match your listing with relevant search queries of people looking directly for you. And here is another tip outside of my 5. Think about your images as well. High quality images can significantly boost your click-through rate and overall sales. I want you to use all 10 images that is super valuable real estate and include both lifestyle photos and close-ups. Following these steps will help ensure that your listings are well optimized for both Etsy and Google search results. So now that we've got that out of the way, let's get back into the spreadsheet and talk about social media marketing. Social media, in my opinion, because I'm a social media marketer, is essential for driving traffic to your Etsy shop or any business for that matter, especially during Q4. On the 4th sheet of your spreadsheet, you will find a social media marketing plan that I have actually generated for you guys. If you are just starting out on social media, I would recommend aiming for 3 posts per week across your chosen platform, whether that be Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook. The choice is yours. So here's a quick example of how that could look like. On Monday, you could post a product feature, but keep it casual and not too salesy. What I don't want you to do is just be like, here's my product, buy it, when no one even knows who you are, nor does anyone relate to you yet. You have to give value first. Then maybe on Wednesday, to provide that value, we can share a behind the scenes post to build connection and trust with your newfound audience. Then let's say on Friday, we post something fun and engaging, like a meme or a customer testimonial or something that's relatable to your ideal audience. In my opinion, and probably everybody else on YouTube, consistency with external marketing is key. Use stories to share flash sales, updates, or even answer common questions or objections that your potential buyers might have about your products. And please don't sleep on Pinterest. If you haven't thought about going there, Pinterest can be a very powerful tool for driving traffic to your Etsy shop because it literally is a search engine just like Google. Last up, finally, it is important to also measure the success of all of these marketing efforts. So on the final sheet of the spreadsheet, you will find key metrics that you might want to look into tracking. I went ahead and broke down all of them for you and told you how to find them, but these are the 3 that I believe are most important for the immediate future. Number 1 being conversion rate. You want to track how many of your visitors to your shop are actually converting into buyers. Next, we also want to understand where our traffic is coming from. Measure how much traffic is coming from Etsy search, Etsy ads, and external sources like social media so that you can actually be like, yeah, I did that. I brought that in. And regularly checking these stats will help you tweak your strategy for even better results. And guys, that is a wrap for this video. I hope this Q4 marketing plan helps you get your shop ready for the biggest shopping season of the year. Make sure, if you haven't already, go download that spreadsheet. All you have to do is click File and then make a copy, and then it will be 100% editable by you. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Etsy and e-commerce tips, and feel free to drop any questions you have, maybe about the spreadsheet or about your own Q4 marketing strategy. And with that said, until next time, I will see you guys in the next video.